TubeBuddy also has a great free tool that can help you clean your playlist from unlisted and private videos, so you don't need to go to each playlist and manually remove them. This tool can also assist you in organizing your videos. Let's see how to use it. To access this tool, be in the Playlist tab, which you can find in the Content tab. Alternatively, use the TubeBuddy shortcut by clicking on the red button at the top of your YouTube window, available wherever you are on YouTube. You don't need to be in the studio for this. And this feature is also free from TubeBuddy. Find the playlist shortcut and click on it. Next, to each playlist, you'll see TubeBuddy logos. Those are the tools specific to that playlist. Find the playlist you wanted to edit and click on the logo. And the first option is to change the privacy of the playlist. Like videos, you can create public, unlisted, and private playlists. If you want to change the status of the playlist, you need to go to the playlist editing window, and TubeBuddy provides a convenient shortcut for that with this tool. Next, you have the option to get a new order for the playlist video. You can change it in several different ways, such as organizing the videos based on the popularity. If there are videos in the playlist that are not from your channel, you can set that all of your videos will be first. Alternatively, you can change the video order based on any of the parameters from your analytics, like percentage view duration, so the video with most views will be first. You can open the list and explore all of your options to reorder the playlist. The last option is to remove videos from the playlist. You can remove private and unlisted videos that are not yours, and even videos that are duplicated. After choosing the editing option you want for the playlist, click on Apply, and it will take a few seconds or moments for TubeBuddy to process. The processing time depends on the number of videos in the playlist. They don't recommend using this for playlists with more than 1,000 videos. This tool is not set up to run automatically for new videos added to the playlist in the future. So if you want to edit the order of the video or delete them from the playlist, you can run this tool anytime you want. By the way, it's a free tool you get from TubeBuddy. For the free plan, the reordering option is available for the first two categories only. You can't reorder the video based on your analytics. Still, this tool is very useful if you've changed video statuses in your content and can't remember where they are in the playlist. Even if you do know, but there are a lot of videos and you want to remove them without going into each playlist and finding each one. If you want to remove a video from all of the playlists it appears on while making it unlisted or private, use the other TubeBuddy publishing tools that have this option, as discussed earlier in this video. If you don't remember on which playlist this video is, you can use TubeBuddy to find out. Get to the video in the Content tab. Click on the TubeBuddy logo. Then find the Info tab. Here you have the video ID and the link to the video to copy. After that, you have a list of all the playlists this video is on. You can copy the link to the playlist, which will direct you to the video in the playlist. Now you can use it. It's a good idea to give the direct link to the video in a playlist. That way you get the other videos on the playlist in front of someone who may otherwise not find them. So this Info tab can help you save time. Instead of going into the playlist that this video is on, finding the video and then copying the link, now all you need to do is go to your video, click on the TubeBuddy logo, and you have it. If you don't have TubeBuddy yet, go to their website, link in the description. Then click on download the extension for free. Then click on Get button. After that, you'll get back to the website and you need to sign in with your Gmail on the TubeBuddy website. Then you get into the dashboard. Now you need to connect your channel. You can connect as many channels as you want for free, but for the paid option you can only do that for one channel per subscription. So choose the right one when paying. To access the new tool, go to YouTube Studio and navigate to the Content tab. Once you're there, you have a few tools you can use from TubeBuddy. You can watch the full playlist for more tutorials. You can watch this video next. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.